In today's video, I will demonstrate a method to conceal your name on WhatsApp. Although WhatsApp does not provide a direct option to remove your name, I will share a clever workaround. To begin, launch WhatsApp and access the Settings menu. From there, select the Profile option. This will allow you to edit your profile photo, name, and phone number. To effectively remove your name from WhatsApp, simply return to the name field and add any symbol of your choice. While there is no option to completely eliminate your name, adding a symbol creates the illusion of name removal. You can use any symbol available on your iPhone. For illustration purposes, I will add a series of dots and click Done. This process applies to any symbol you choose to add to your WhatsApp profile. By employing this method, you can effectively remove your name from WhatsApp, providing an alternative approach to maintaining privacy.